Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.
सोशल मिडियाचेर इवन आमकां न्यूज हितून मिडियांनी पळोवपाक मेळ्ळी की एक रॉक कार्विंगाची एक तांकां कितें स्टेटस मेळ्ळा म्हणून ताका रिकॉग्निशन मेळ्ळा म्हणून कितें एक्झॅक्टली तें.
Last year, along with cooperation from Maharashtra State Archaeology and Archaeology Department of Goa, we have applied for Konkan coast to be declared as hotspot for rock art. If we see Konkan coast of Maharashtra, including the portion of Goa, we have several sites where prehistoric rock engravings are found. This proposal was submitted to World Heritage section of Archaeological Survey of India, and the first step in this direction has begun, wherein the UNESCO has accepted this proposal in their tentative list of World Heritage sites. But as a procedure, this is just a beginning, and so far it is not yet declared as World Heritage. There are several sites, but one site from Goa is included in this proposal, that is Pansaimer, and there are more than 100 rock engravings at Pansaimer, out of which the concentric circle, what is the photo, what is circulated now, that concentric circle has become an identity of this site globally. So that is why that particular photograph is being circulated.
आनी कितलो टायम वचपाक शकता डिक्लेअर जावपाक सगळो प्रोसेस ऑन टायम म्हणजे तेंच्यांनी घेतलो जाल्यार.
Okay, as per procedure, once the proposal is accepted in the tentative list, after 1 year we have to submit the dossier, final dossier. So now the procedure is on to appoint an agency for preparation of dossier by Government of Maharashtra. Once that agency is on board, it will take 1 year to prepare the dossier. And once that dossier is submitted, then only further course of action, inspection, reports, visits by experts will take place. And there is a lot more to go. Then it will take at least a year. So more than 2 years are required hereafter.